Hey y'all, welcome to Basically Joyful. My name's Rachel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite LipSense colors, Plum Pretty. I'm going to show you the color and exactly how to put it on. Plum Pretty is a warm color with an iridescent shimmery finish. As with all of your LipSense, whenever you go to apply it, you want to make sure that you are applying to clean and dry lips. After you've done your 3 layers, you know it's time for your glossy gloss. That can come off. Thanks y'all for checking out my video today on how to apply LipSense Plum Pretty. Make sure you check out some other videos and subscribe to our channel to see more.